Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig from Afsisterwigs. This is a Skin Melt Wig. This is their new lace that they're rolling out. This is Swiss lace, and when I tell you, like, where is it though? Like, can you please point it out? Because I can't see it. It appears to be lost, or maybe it just doesn't exist. Because this, I mean, tell me, let me know. But I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about the new lace that they have, and I'm going to be telling you guys how this hair is, and I'm going to show you guys how I styled this hair. Well, not how I styled the hair, because my stylist styled it for me. And yeah, I just thought I'd add something different than just straight black hair. I'm so tired of just straight black hair. I'm wanting to do some different things, some color, things like that. So yeah, I just asked for her to add the 2 braids, which is super cute. So let's get into this. Let me tell you guys about the new lace that they have. So you guys know that lace is everything right now. You have to have a good lace to have a seamless install like this. Like, it has to be some good lace. So I'm glad they're rolling out this new lace, because I love Afsisterwigs. I have never gotten a bad wig from them ever. I just feel like their quality is just so high. I mean, this hair is just gorgeous, and all the details for this look will be down in the description box, because I have no idea what type of hair this is or how long. I just know that this lace is melted. That's all I know. I'm going to show you guys the difference between normal lace and the Swiss lace. So here we have a normal transparent lace. You know, it's nothing special. I mean, it's strong, it's sturdy, but you can still detect it on your skin. So see, I have it here. What I'm going to do is spray some water on it, and as you can see, it's blending, but it's not like blending. It's not as good as it can get. You can still see a little bit of the lace when I, you know, add some water to it, which is basically like melting the lace to your skin, which is basically how it would be if you were to glue the wig on. Here is some regular lace. Again, very strong, it's sturdy, like you can pluck it and it won't cause too many holes, things like that, but it's still going to be very detectable. I still have some water left on my skin, and you can still sort of see it even though it's tinted brown. But here is their new Swiss lace, and as you can see, it's just like very see-through. Like, you can already tell that it's super nice. It's soft, it's thin. The grids on this, which are like the holes in the lace, are a lot smaller than regular lace. It's stretchy. The only downfall to Swiss lace is that you have to be very careful when you're plucking it, because it is very thin. But that helps to create a very natural look when you apply your wig. So here, as you can see, it totally disappeared. It's gone. Where is the lace? Whereas with the other ones, you could still sort of see this is like completely gone. Whereas with the other lace, you could still sort of detect it. As you can see, Swiss lace definitely beats out regular lace. I would choose the Swiss any day, so you can have that super nice, melted, blended looking frontal. And the great thing about the Swiss lace is that it blends in with any skin tone. It doesn't matter if you're light, dark, medium, it doesn't matter. It's going to blend in with your skin tone very seamlessly. So that's a, you know, good side about the Swiss lace. With the transparent, you have to tint it or put makeup on it to make sure it blends and everything like that. So that's a great thing about the Swiss lace. And this just feels a lot thinner than normal lace, because it is thinner. So like when I'm sleeping at night, it's not super uncomfortable. Me, I hate, if you know me, you know that I hate like sleeping in hairstyles, because I've gotten so used to wearing wigs. So even though I love to be cute and get my hair installed, it's like sometimes very uncomfortable for me to sleep in it. But I haven't had any issues with this wig so far and sleeping in it. It feels fine, you know. It's just super lightweight, and especially this wig in general, because it's I feel like this is a low density, which I prefer low density hair but over super high density hair. So this hair is super lightweight, the lace is super lightweight, so I'm absolutely loving the entire wig. You cannot get this look with regular lace. Like it's gonna look good, especially if you have a good hairstylist like I do. It's gonna look fine. Like it's not gonna be like horrible. You're not gonna be like, ooh, like there's the lace, but it's not gonna be as good as it can get. I have gotten so many comments on my hair. People think that this is my real hair. I know it's a reach, and I'd be like, I don't believe them, because everybody knows I wear wigs. I have had 3 people ask me, is that like leave out in the front? Is that like your real edges? And I'm just like, no, this is a whole wig. Like none of my hair is left out. This is a whole wig. That's how believable this is. Like, people have been asking me, is that like your real leave out? But that's how seamless this hair is in this lace. The lace is so important. But yeah, like I said, I went and got this installed by my stylist, and she told me that this hair was really good. She loved it. Like I tell you guys, I believe whatever she says about hair, because she knows what she's talking about. And I always ask her like her opinion on the hair, and I can tell myself that this hair is amazing. It's so silky. Like she barely had to do anything to like straighten it out, of course, but you guys will see all of that. I'm going to show you guys the styling of this wig and her straightening the wig out. You guys have seen me like put a wig on over and over, and now at this point you guys have seen my stylist put my wig on, so I didn't feel like it was necessary for you guys to see me like literally getting the wig put on, because it's literally the same as she always does it. Literally the same as how she always does it, but I want to show you guys the cute styling that I did, and just straightening the hair to show you how silky and smooth this hair is. that is it for this video. Make sure you check out Sister wigs in the description box. All of the information on this wig and the Swiss lace wigs will be down in the description box, so definitely check that out. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and follow me on Instagram at ChristyJ, and I will see you guys in my next video.